Okay, so let's have a look at Brophy 2010 ordinary level, question 5. And the first adjustment says the figure for cost of sales. Cost of sales figure is using your profit and loss account. So if we look at a profit and loss account, we have our cost of sales figure here is blank. But what we do have is we do have our credit sales of 670,000 and our gross profit of 172,000. So to find the gross profit, you're going to take your cost of sales and you're going to take away your gross profit. So the figures that we need our cost of sales, which is 670,000. Then we need to take away our gross profit, which is 172,000. So now that we have the figures identified, we can now put the figures into our formula. So the formula is your sales of 670,000 minus your gross profit of 172,000. And that's going to give you your cost of sales. So 670,000 minus 172,000. So your cost of sales then are 498,000. So that's the first working done for Brophy 2010, calculating your cost of sales, taking away your sales away from your gross profit. That'll give you your cost of sales.